terms of energy is just at the level that we're talking about. And then Geshe Nawang, I think if I understand correctly, the mental factors are things like joy or feelings and
to explain that, mental factors, when I talk about the first five omnipresent mental factors, it includes feeling, discernment, intention, attention, and contact. So feeling is the bringing the feeling aspects of the object that is being perceived by the consciousness itself, and contact is kind of the contact is kind of for contact is kind of letting consciousness engage with the object.
Yeah, so I do think that when we do our experiments to identify these neural correlates, we're also trying to get a sense for how these feelings, how these emotions actually modulate what your conscious percept is. So it's not like we're ignoring them. We're trying to get to a minimal unit of consciousness and then talk about how that can be layered upon with these mental factors. So I don't think we're ignoring them per se.
Yes, we Buddhists actually believes, as Ngawala said, whenever there is a rise of any type of mental consciousness, and there are all these five omnipresents, mental factors, mental events. So when you try to find or investigate the location of consciousness somewhere in the brain region, and when the consciousness arises, when it activates somewhere in the brain region, maybe it is a new field for scientists to investigate whether there is any other kind of factors that are emerging with the consciousness region of the brain.
So there are some beautiful experiments now that people do, particularly also in my lab, where they try to show that you can get attention without consciousness, and that you can have attention, that you can have consciousness without attention, so that you can dissociate things between attention and consciousness. Because it used to be thought that attention and consciousness go hand in hand together. But you can now at least experimentally show that you can attend to things, but you're not conscious of them. So this is what scientists love. They like to take these things and then try to dissociate them and then try to study that.
Well, then perhaps this is great. Maybe we can hear from Geshe Bhakto on this.